In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you will be doing well. Let us discuss irregular forms of verbs, part 1F, and their use in sentences. Number 1 word is do. Second form, did. Third, done. Fourth, doing. Sentences. I do a lot of work daily. She does her household chores. She did her work and I did mine. They have done their work in time. We have been doing our work ourselves for many years. Number 2, draw. Second form, drew. Third, drawn. Fourth, drawing. Sentences. I want to draw a picture of my house. He draws all his salary from his account. The scenery draws attention of people. He draws a cart out of his house. We draw good things from literature. He draws out a revolver and shoots the thief. I can draw the conclusion of what you said. She drew her own picture with a pencil. He has drawn a picture of an island. She has been drawing pictures of all her family members with different colors. Number 3, dig. Second form, dug. Third, dug. Fourth, digging. Sentences. I dig the ground of my garden first, then put in seeds to grow plants. I dug the ground and put in the seeds. I had dug the ground last year, but it started raining, so I could not put in seeds and grow plants. He has been digging the ground since morning. Number 4, dwell. Second form, dwelt. Third, dwelt. Fourth, dwelling. Sentences. I dwell in a house that is surrounded by many trees. He dwells in a town that is surrounded by hills. They once dwelt in the mountains. He has dwelt in a village as well as in cities. They have been dwelling in a beautiful valley since their childhood. Number 5, dream. Second form, dreamt. Third, dreamt. Fourth, dreaming. Sentences. I dream of a more peaceful and happier world for all. He dreams of becoming a champion of the causes of humanity. He dreamt of becoming a successful businessman. He has dreamt of his success many times. He has been dreaming since his childhood. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.